The fastest and most compact crossbow has arrived. Introducing the Nitro X from 10-Point. Measuring an ultra-narrow 7 inches wide, the Nitro X unleashes supercharged speeds up to 440 feet per second, generating jaw-dropping kinetic energy and unmatched downrange accuracy. Fueled by RX-7 cams and slingshot technology, the reverse draw bow assembly is the difference maker for this top-of-the-line crossbow. The maximum rotation cam system powers the bow assembly's dual flex limbs, while the slingshot technology provides an extra turbo boost to produce speeds up to an industry-first 440 feet per second. Meanwhile, revolutionary vector quad cable technology utilizes 4 cables instead of the traditional 2 for increased strength and stability, connecting at the cam, wrapping around the turnbuckle, and terminating on the riser. The cable system balances torsion and tension to essentially eliminate cam lean, generating pinpoint accuracy. At the bow assembly's foundation is a lightweight CNC machined 7075 aircraft grade aluminum riser, featuring the company's tri-lock pocket system that ensures perfect alignment between the pocket and limbs for increased accuracy. The NXT bow assembly is mounted to a black anodized 20-inch tack-light aluminum barrel that dramatically reduces weight, noise, and vibration. It is fitted with the company's 3.5-pound auto-engaging safety trigger, housed in a lightweight, machined aluminum trigger box. Its Weaver-style dovetail is fitted with a nylon filament arrow retention brush that improves arrow grip and alignment to further reduce noise and vibration. Like all 10-Point models, the trigger assembly is equipped with a DFI, dry fire inhibitor. An integrated string stop system is also included that fits into the end of the barrel to reduce noise and vibration. The Nitro X also features 10-Point's lightweight 3-piece C3 stock, designed to reduce weight, noise, and vibration. The high-tech stock is molded from carbon fiber infused Poly-1 On-Force, fitted with an adjustable cheekpiece and butt plate. The rubber cheekpiece adjusts to 3 separate positions by removing the screws and sliding it to create perfect eye-level alignment. Likewise, the rubber butt plate adjusts to 2 positions to match the shooter's length of pull. When it's all said and done, this perfectly balanced sharpshooting crossbow weighs 7.8 pounds, measures only 30.7 inches long, and shoots up to a supercharged 440 feet per second, making it the fastest, smallest, and most accurate crossbow ever designed. Like all 10-Point models, this crossbow is one of the safest on the market as well. Its dual-purpose rubber safety wings help keep the shooter's foregrip hand and fingers safely below the flight deck and reduce noise and vibration. The Nitro X is double-dip fluid imaged in true timber Viper Western camo and ships completely assembled. It is available in 2 packages with everything you need to head to the woods. The standard package includes the AccuDraw Pro, Rangemaster Pro Scope, 6-pack of revolutionary Evo X center punch arrows, an integrated string stop system, and a quiver. The Elite package includes the AccuDraw Pro, Evo X Marksman Precision Scope, 10-Point Stag Hard Crossbow Case, 6-pack of revolutionary Evo X Center Punch Premium Carbon Arrows that improve accuracy by 25%, an integrated string stop system, and a quiver. The Nitro X, the industry's most powerful, most compact crossbow ever manufactured, is finally here. Shoulder it, shoot it, and experience supercharged speeds, jaw-dropping kinetic energy, and unmatched downrange accuracy. 10-Point. Perfection lives here.
Hello, I'm Erin, and we just wanted to thank you for visiting us. We are a small family-owned business, and we are committed to bringing you great value and superior customer service. Our small team has years of experience in the industry, so we understand what our customers want and how best to serve them. If there is anything you need at all, or just want to say hi, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and sharing great content with you.